Gear up, car care fans. The countdown to the best car leather cleaners is here, and your interior is about to get a serious upgrade. From gentle cleansers that pamper delicate finishes to heavy-hitting formulas that lift stubborn grime, this list has you covered. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car leather cleaners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner Kit. This kit is built for leather care enthusiasts who want a complete kitchen sink approach to leather maintenance, combining a dedicated leather cleaner with conditioning and protective steps. Cleaner itself is designed to lift dirt, body oils, and grime from the surface without harsh solvents that can strip color or dry the hide. The conditioning stage replenishes essential oils, restoring softness and flexibility to dry or aging leather, which helps prevent cracking and keeps seats, steering wheels, and door panels feeling supple rather than stiff. A protective layer added by the kit creates a barrier against future spills and daily wear, reducing the likelihood of staining and color fading as daily use continues. In practice, you begin with a clean, dry surface, then apply a small amount of cleaner to a microfiber cloth and work it in with gentle circular motions, focusing on creases and grain where oils collect first. You then wipe away the residue with a clean, damp cloth and let the surface air dry before applying the conditioner in a thin, even layer that sinks into the leather rather than sitting on top. Always test on an inconspicuous area first, because even a mild cleaner can alter color if the dye is unstable, and never saturate leather with liquid. Excess moisture can lead to swelling or mildew over time. Over repeated use, the kit helps maintain color evenness, preserves the natural pattern of the leather, and extends the overall life of interior surfaces, from the front seats to the rear seats, and even the gear shift boot. Best results follow up with a light buffing to restore a uniform finish, and store the bottles away from direct sun to prevent degradation of the formula. Kit is popular among detailers and everyday drivers, alike for its concentrated focus on leather without requiring separate products for plastic and vinyl, making it a convenient one-stop solution for a targeted care routine. Paired to the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the leather kit offers more targeted conditioning benefits and a specialized restore and protect sequence that leather surfaces respond to over time, though the Total Interior Cleaner remains a strong all-rounder for multi-surface interiors. At number 4, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner. This all-in-one interior cleaning solution is designed to tackle grime on dashboards, vinyl, plastic, fabric, and other interior surfaces with a single, versatile formula. Key feature is its broad compatibility across materials, so you can spray it on a dirty dash, a dusty console, or a grimy door panel and wipe away residue with a microfiber cloth without a greasy finish. Product typically leaves behind a clean, matte look rather than a shiny film, which is a plus for those who want to avoid a glossy aftertaste on plastics. Its cleansing action comes from surfactants that emulsify oils and dirt, allowing them to be wiped away rather than smeared, and many users report it helps remove light fingerprints and smudges from textured surfaces without requiring heavy agitation. While it is marketed as a multi-surface cleaner, its use on leather surfaces should be cautious. Some leather finishes can be sensitive to cleaners that include detergents, so always perform a spot test on an inconspicuous area and follow with a dedicated leather conditioner as needed. Formula is generally mild, low odor, and easy to apply by spray, followed by a wipe down with a microfiber towel. Its versatility makes it a favorite for quick cleanups and maintenance between more thorough care sessions, and it pairs well with leather-specific products when a deeper clean or conditioning is required. Paired to the Car Guys Super Cleaner, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Total Interior Cleaner emphasizes broad interior compatibility and simplicity, whereas the Car Guys product leans into multi-surface strength and a slightly stronger cleaning action on a wider range of materials. At number 3, we have the Car Guys Super Cleaner. This multi-surface cleaner is marketed as an all-in-one solution that can tackle leather, vinyl, fabric, carpets, and hard plastics with one bottle, which is appealing for those who want a budget-friendly, single-step option. The strength of this formula lies in its versatility and value, making it a popular pick for families, fleets, or DIY enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity. And used on leather, it can effectively remove surface grime and oils, but because leather finishes vary, some are sensitive to more aggressive cleaners, there is a caveat. You should apply sparingly, test on a hidden area first, and avoid saturating the material. The cleaner's performance on leather is often complemented by a subsequent conditioner to replenish oils and restore pliability, ensuring the surface does not dry out after cleaning. Texture and finish after cleaning can differ depending on the leather's type and dye, so you may notice a slightly different feel between seats and door panels, which is an expected result of the material's natural variation. In practice, dispense a small amount onto a microfiber cloth or directly onto the surface. Work in circular motions and wipe away any dissolved dirt with a clean microfiber. Daily upkeep with this product is usually straightforward, helping to reduce grime buildup and keep interior surfaces looking fresh between deeper leather-focused treatments. Paired to the Wyman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner, which I have included as number 2 on this list. The Car Guys Cleaner emphasizes multi-surface capability and affordability, while the Wyman product provides an integrated cleaning and conditioning approach tailored specifically to leather. At number 2, we have the Wyman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This dual-action formula is designed to deliver both cleaning power and moisture restoration in a single product, making it convenient for regular upkeep of leather seats, dashboards, and accessories. Cleaner component is formulated to lift dirt, body oils, and residue without harsh scrubbing that can abrade the leather surface. The conditioner portion replenishes essential oils and waxes or polymers that help maintain suppleness, reduce cracking, and preserve the color depth of various leathers. Users appreciate the ease of use. Apply a modest amount to a clean microfiber, work in gentle circular motions, and wipe away any excess with a dry cloth, then allow the surface to air dry. The conditioning step helps protect the leather's natural oils from drying out due to heat, sunlight, or frequent cleaning, which can extend the life of younger upholstery and slow the aging process on older pieces. As is true with any leather care product, always test a small area first and avoid saturating the material, particularly on unfinished or aniline leathers that can be more sensitive to liquids. Wyman formula is often described as leaving a faint, natural sheen rather than a heavy gloss, which many drivers prefer for a more authentic look. For a comprehensive leather care regimen, this product pairs well with a dedicated leather conditioner or sealant, especially after cleaning, to lock in moisture and provide ongoing protection against cracking and color fade. Paired to the Armor All Leather Cleaner Spray, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Wyman product offers a balanced blend of cleaning and conditioning in one bottle, whereas the Armor All Spray leans toward quick maintenance and a spray-on, wipe-off convenience. At number 1, we have the Armor All Leather Cleaner Spray. The spray-on cleaner is built for speed, convenience, and touch-up maintenance, making it a go-to option for busy drivers who want to refresh leather surfaces between deeper detail sessions. Spray format allows for targeted application in hard-to-reach areas like the creases of a seat or the back of a steering wheel, and a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth yields a clean, even finish. Formula often emphasizes a beeswax component or wax-like conditioning agents that help create a light protective layer on the surface, which can improve resistance to stains and help keep colors vibrant after cleaning. The ease of use makes it an excellent top-up product when you notice dust, fingerprints, or minor smudges, but you still want to avoid a heavy maintenance routine. As with any cleaner, you should use the spray sparingly and avoid saturating leather to prevent any potential swelling or dye migration. If you have delicate or antique finishes, test in an inconspicuous spot first and follow with a dedicated leather conditioner to replenish moisture. Lightweight nature of this solution means it should be part of a broader leather care schedule that includes conditioning every few cleanings to maintain suppleness over time, especially for vehicles that see daily use or extreme temperature swings. Paired to the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner Kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Armor All Spray focuses on quick, on-the-go maintenance, while the Chemical Guys Kit provides a comprehensive multi-step routine designed to treat leather more deeply with dedicated cleaner, conditioner, and protective layers.